Hi, let us check silver December futures trend for September 17th, 2025. Daily charts will take 7:19 p.m. on September 17th, 2025. Actually, as per this one yesterday's setup, it should have touched 1,26,635 and should have rebounded. That was the expectation. But see, it broken during intraday trades. That is one negative factor. Now, what are the levels to watch out? Now, 1,27,200 is the trend decider. If trades at below this level means downtrend, down target 1,26,635. This is a demand zone. Once it touches this level, it has to rebound. If trades at above this level means uptrend, up target 1,28,811. This is a supply zone. Once it touches this level, it has to come down. I have given demand zone, I have given supply zone. What will happen if crosses the supply zone? If crosses 1,28,811, that means whatever supply I am expecting may get absorbed. Generally may continue up to 1,31,017. What will happen if breaks the demand zone? It breaks 1,26,635. That means whatever demand I am expecting, it may not happen. Then fall may continue up to 1,24,439. These levels valid for September 17th, 2025. What will be the this one weekly levels? This is part 1. I will give you in part 2. Weekly levels. This one mini support, mini resistance, those kind of things we will check. This is part 2 of this MCX silver December futures. Actually, this is as per weekly setup. Actually, this one I will explain. Actually, as per last week setup, this is the last week setup. It crossed the mini resistance number 1. That means in this week it has to touch 1,30,628. And last week, previous week, mini resistance number 2 crossed. That means it has to touch 1,33,625. And another thing, a major resistance of weekly, this one, that also crossed in last week. That means it has to touch 1,34,670. These things didn't happen this week. What happened? This one, major, the weekly mini support number 1. That one, 1,27,051 is broken during intraday trades. This is surprising. It broken actually during intra week. This one. That means in coming week some bad news is possible. The intra week panic will be there like that. And this one, suppose this one, if breaks and stays at below this level means then fall up to 1,24,038, fall up to 1,23,014 is possible. Trade with caution. So if it remains at below this level means bulls will have to face, bulls will be in pressure. Let us see what will happen. All the best.